Are you the one willing to prepare for GATE 2023? If yes, then it's your time to think about your success now. But at the same time, you might be a little confused. What time, how much time is sufficient to crack and ace the GATE examination? Let me tell you that it's around 8 months left. And yes, you can ace the GATE examination within the 8 months. But every preparation has a right approach, has a wrong approach. But what approach can make you a shining topper? At the same time, to answer all of your common doubts like what books you should follow, when to solve the PYQs, from where to practice, what should be the right time to appear in test series, and how many hours you should study. Yes, to answer all of your queries, I am coming live on the BYJU'S exam prep app with a free mega GATE workshop. How to ace GATE in 8 months, I am going to tell you live this Sunday, 5th June at 12:30 p.m. Yes, it's the time to begin your GATE 23 preparation. It's the time for a new adventure. Stay tuned to the BYJU'S exam prep app.